I think I've always been really interested in science and understanding the way that the world works. I was just fascinated that there was this entire microbial world that we couldn't see. I teach in the microbiology program, bringing more inclusive learning practices to the STEM classroom. We are developing 3D printed teaching tools for use in the undergraduate classroom. The way that science has been taught has been very one way. When you give them a 3D printed tool to interact with, you get a more engaged classroom. By giving students alternative ways to demonstrate their understanding of information, I hope that more students will see themselves as scientists and persist in the field of science. I use technology to teach students about microbiology, and that's how I think and do at NC State.